Hello everyone, in today's video we'll learn to control our own Google Meet meeting. So you might have encountered situations जिसमें काफी random people join your meeting and there are notorious messages in your meeting and you want to stop that. So how do you take control? So we'll learn how to do that in this video. Go on the three dot icon, click on it and go to settings and then go to host controls. Now this is the place where you can control everything and anything about your Google Meets. So the first option is host management. A host in a Google Meet has a lot of authority over what people can and cannot do in a meeting. If you switch off host management, then you lose the ability to admit or remove others, mute each other, record the call, and even allow or disallow people to send messages in the chat. So be very careful when you switch off this control. You can also take control on who can share the screen. So not everyone can share the screen and create nuisance in the meeting. And you can also switch off messages in this meeting. This is a very good option, particularly when people are teaching in classrooms and students are making a lot of notorious comments and not paying attention in the meeting. So take note of this. And last but not the least, quick access. So this is a very powerful control. What this allows you is to avoid any anonymous and random people to join your call. So when you have quick access on, you allow anyone to join your call by dialing in or who has access to the link, and they don't need your permission to join in. But when you turn it off, the host has the control on who can join in, so they are responsible for admitting people. People cannot dial in and join the meeting and create nuisance, and only host can dial out of the meeting. And you need to have a name to join the meeting. You cannot join it anonymously. So I hope you got a lot of information out of this video and now you're ready to take control of your Google Meets. Thank you for watching and see you soon.